Hello, welcome to Brownhills Motorhomes, and let's show you around this Swift Carrera 122. Been waiting to see one of these for a long time. Come and have a look. Okay, this is something we've been waiting to see for a while. This is the Swift Carrera, but the 122 used to be the Select, but they've flashied it up a bit and changed a few things. Bathroom particularly is very nice. 71,500 on a manual though. Expensive stuff. Get a nice little outside drop down table there. I think this is a great idea. Obviously your step switch there and a plug socket there, which is good. I've got an electric switch and a fly screen on this one. Layout is very similar to our van. Obviously you've got your under cupboard storage there with all your carpets in and your table leg, and then this is one of those either way fridges, which is good, like them. Nice skylight at the top with a little bit of storage, I presume that is. Yeah, they flip down, I shan't pull too hard, but you do lose your over cab. That is the only issue with these. Standard Fiat cab with the new digital dash, and it's a nice little storage thing there, your table in and some little shelving. You've got a pull-out bin there. Now this took some working out. We thought that was a drawer, but no, that comes up, goes on there like that for your table.
You can actually still get out as well.
Yeah, you can still walk past that, yeah. So that's quite ingenious. Light switches here, storage underneath obviously. That one's blank because this is your sink and your burners, 2 burners and a sink. You've got a little bit of storage in the drawer there. Now I think this is just a grill if I'm honest, but I'm not sure. Oh no, it is. It's a very small combined. Some drawers there. Tambour door on the bathroom, which is a big winner for me. And a little drop down sink. I think this is massively improved. Still got a pedestal loo though, but it's quite roomy, and it's obviously a full wet room. No shower curtain, which is good. This is obviously to protect that, but it's all wettable. And you've got a skylight in there as well. I haven't worked out how to open these yet. Underneath, Heather's shouting at me. There you go, you've got an MPPT charge controller in here, which is good. You usually just get a PWM, but that's an MPPT, which is a better charge controller to have. These, they're quite good. They're on a very nice damper. They're hard to shut though. But yeah, they're nice. And I do like, they have a really big skylight in these. Right at the back. Speakers in the back as well. And then you've got plenty of storage netting. Still a bit plasticky, and that's a bit rattly, but blinds and fly screens everywhere. Yeah, very good. Nice bit of storage in it. No microwave in this one unless it's hidden in there. No, that's just your television aerial. And what's this? Is this to dump your water? These are the automatic valves, I think they are. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. Aerial there. Yeah, no microwave in this. I presume there's an option to have one, I guess. Control panels. Little skylight at the front, as we've said. Table mount. And then nice drop down. Now these are a good idea, but I wonder if they're a waste of space in a way, because obviously you're limited to the height you can stack stuff, and obviously you lose the bit underneath, but there are pipes under there, so maybe actually it's not a bad idea. This side has, oh that's good, little accessible bins. There's your charge controller in there. And this is your gas can. Oh okay, so it hasn't got an LPG underslung, you put your gas in there. But yeah, they're very nice, very nice, but I don't see the massive benefit on the price increase over the actual Select 122, other than that bathroom's a great improvement. Really do think that. If you've got an original 122, let me know what you think. Would you change your Select to a Carrera? So you've got plug socket there for your telly, aerial input, and then some USBs. Although they haven't put a TV bracket on, but it would obviously go there. More sockets and USBs there. And then I think probably a light switch there. Although I can't see any lights going on and off. Oh yeah, they did. Yeah, it's that one. And on double checking, as in Heather came in and had a look, that is definitely an oven and grill combined. And on second double checking, we don't think these open. We think they're just finishing plates that are a bit squiffy. So don't pull them if you come and have a look. But you've also got a blind and fly screen on that. Yeah, the thing that Heather pointed out, this seat does seem to go back a fraction better than in the CV20. And if I sit in it, yeah, I don't know. I mean,
But if you just look the back up a bit.
no, yeah, I know. But yeah, you could. Yeah, it is. It's not bad. Still a bit tight, and obviously still happy to not have the fridge behind me. But I do like this new dash. But yeah, quite a nice van really. So you've got a little bit of access from the back there, although I don't really know what you'd do that with that space. Maybe put your hookup lead in there, and then like you say, it does actually tell you that your LPG is there. But that's not bad. No camera on the rear of this one, and it has got reversing sensors though. So you've got your 230 in and your water there, along with your toilet cassette obviously. We've seen these dashes many times, but they're very nice. The seats are lovely, very nice. And it's got an electric handbrake on this one, yeah, as Heather just pointed out, but it is a manual. I think that is an option anyway.
Maybe all the 8 series now.
No, I don't think so. I think it's still an option, but nice little courtesy light there. And it's obviously in the Lanzarote grey. You've got a nice 2-lay awning with the over-door drip rail with an LED light. And what have we got behind this door? There's obviously a fly screen, I think I mentioned that. Yeah, just your water point there. So your drain's one side, and your for your fresh drain this side, and then your waste drain the other side. And then yeah, like the new badges, barbecue point on this one as well at the back. Very nice. Right, thanks for watching that quick look around a Swift Carrera 122. Let me know what you think about that one. Quite nice. Would I have had this instead of the CV20 at the time? You know, if they'd have done this type of bathroom in the original Select 122, I think it would have been a tough choice. I know they were a few quid more, about 6 or 7 grand more than the CV20 at the time, but the pinch point was really big there, and they've slightly addressed that now. It's a nice fan. It's hard to compare these days because the prices are so inflated. I mean, 72 grand this is, but comparable prices, a CV20 is probably mid 60s now, I guess. So I don't know, the prices are crazy, but I'm still not sure whether going slightly upmarket with the layout of this has added anything to it, other than that bathroom is really good. As I say, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Catch you on another one.